Alright, this just came in. This is a used 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Braunability XT power side entry fold-out conversion. Top of the line, white, black leather, 280 original miles. This is just like a brand new van. This was purchased brand new in October. Due to unfortunate circumstances, they had to sell the vehicle, so we purchased it from them. It's a brand new van. It still has the original plastic on it. Gorgeous condition. Sticker price is in the high 80s on this van. It's going to be a great deal. It's under full warranties. Factory warranty, Braunability warranty. It's flawless inside and out. White outside, black leather inside, fully loaded, big screen. All the safety sphere. Rear footrest. Give us a call if you have any questions. We are a Braunability service center and dealer. We're 49 years in business. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We do sell these brand new and used. Feel free to reach out to us anytime if you need any adaptive controls, hand controls, docking systems, seating options, transfer seats. Let us know. We're happy to help. We can do anything. We have some of the best techs in the world. 280 miles. This thing is brand new. It still has the original plastic on the seats. I mean, the thing is brand new. It also does have a power inverter if you need that for any extra medical equipment. Full power fold-out ramp setup. It is the XT, which is the best conversion by Braunability. Power fold-out ramp. Power doors, power everything, power seats, heated seats, fully loaded. Feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Happy to help at any time. Beautiful 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. Does come with the retractor tie downs. You got 4 retractors, extra seatbelt, everything is here, ready to go. So, need nothing, comes with all the owner's manuals. You are getting basically a brand new van setup. It's an awesome, awesome, awesome package. You don't have to pay the depreciation of a new one. An amazing deal right here. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Gorgeous 2025, 200 miles. There's not much to say about it. It's flawless. There is no marks anywhere on it. Of course, it's a clean Carfax, clean title. No issues whatsoever. Fully brand new. Does have the lighted runway with the Wayfinder system from Braun. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Owner's manuals. It's all there. 2 keys. Very, very, very nice. It's just like a brand new one. We have new ones in the showroom. This one looks the same. Feel free to give us a call. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.